Hello, welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. Today I like to talk about something that happened with a mom after her little baby boy was born. She would tell the bigger brother, "You really love your brother, don't you?" And the bigger brother would say, "No, no." What to do if your child says no in a situation like this? Well, I'll tell you more about that, what this mom did. After, of course, but before, I like to remind you about the introduction workshop that I will give. And we will talk about how to give space for emotions and limits to behavior when you raise children, because it can be quite challenging sometimes. And how do you combine those two? And talk about it with your child. Well, I will tell more about this in the introduction workshop. More information you can find below at the description. For now, what did this mom do? Well, this baby brother was, of course, she loved her two sons. She had two sons and a baby brother. So now this baby brother, when she loved her own son, of course, she would tell the bigger brother, "Hey, you really like your little brother, don't you?" And this bigger brother would say, "No, no." Well, she learned to reply in a different way. She learned to say, I think you have two feelings about your little brother, because it is fun to look at him and you can play a little bit with him, but sometimes, yeah, then you want him not to be there at all." And then he would say, "Yes," because that was correct. Sometimes it was good to have a little brother, and sometimes he just didn't like it at all. So what did this brother do, this bigger brother? He would come to his mother just about once a week and would ask the mom, "Well, Mom, tell me about my two feelings. Can you please tell it again?" And then she would repeat the sentence that, "I think you have two feelings about your little brother." Because it is fun to look at him and you can play a little bit with him. But sometimes you want him not to be there at all. And this really helped him and her, the mom, of course, not to have this no, no, because you don't like that as a mom, I can imagine. But it also helped the child to have to respect and to know that it's okay to have both emotions. And sometimes it is fun to have little brother, and sometimes it is not fun at all, and that's okay. So I hope this helped you. Thumbs up if you liked it, and share it with someone else in a situation like this. And so that's it for today. I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.